had these knotless braids in for about a month, and girl, it's time. Child, I spent $70, okay, purchasing these products. Am I the only one who cuts a little bit longer just because you think that your hair grew that much? I'm the person. Roll, do the tuck and 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 roll it, tuck and roll it, tuck and roll it, tuck and roll it. They poppin', they're poppin', they're poppin', they're poppin'. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? I'm definitely sleeping. Okay.
Brown baller, take one. Action. That's a wrap.
What's up, my babies? Welcome back to another video. Yes, I look crazy, absolutely crazy. Mind your business. Before we even get into this video, I know I look crazy, but just hold on for a second. I'm gonna let you know why I look how I do. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's almost like, what are you doing? Hit that red subscribe button down below. Join our team, come sit in our bench. We would love to have you here. Of course, also follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be either on the screen, and if not, they'll be in the description box below. Y'all know how this goes. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. Honestly, there's hair everywhere. Jesus, take the wheel. As you guys can see, I got half my head taken down already. Come on, waves. Then the other half of my hair is still in the process of being taken down. I've had these knotless braids in for about a month, and girl, it's time. I'm literally just taking these things out with you guys. But as you guys seen by the title, I am in another country. Y'all know I switch locations so fast. I am currently in Luxembourg. It is not in Germany. It is literally its own country. So I'm in a small country called Luxembourg, and it's literally surrounded by France, Belgium, and Germany. Oh, y'all know I play basketball overseas. I like to share my journey with y'all and different obstacles that I have to overcome when I am overseas. One of the things being, I do my own hair. I actually want to do a video where I go to one of these like African braiding shops and get my hair done, or one of like Luxembourgish braiding shops and get my hair done. I want to see what they can do with this. Not this, because they can't do with this, but this. They probably can't do with this either. But anywho, that's neither here nor there. Just wanted to show y'all all the products that I got today. I went to like a Luxembourgish beauty supply store, which is almost African beauty supply store. Child, I spent $70, okay, purchasing these products. I didn't bring anything with me this time. Normally I do bring products back from the States, but I didn't want my bag to be like super overweight, and my friend is here. She told me that they have so many shops where I can get the stuff from, but the problem is everything is overpriced because of shipping. The taxes, y'all see my nails. Get into them. Get into them. The taxes on these products is crazy, so they have to like upcharge. So a normal $4 or $5 container is like €8, €9. Yes. So I'll just kind of go through everything that I got. I got this Luster's Pink Shea Butter and Coconut Oil for natural textured hair. It's a co-wash cleansing conditioner. I didn't get a shampoo because I really wanted to try this out. This stuff smells absolutely amazing. So I just went in and kind of got some products. Child, I was in the store for at least a solid 30 to 40 minutes. First of all, the girl didn't speak English. Second of all, I didn't know what I wanted. And I was looking at the prices on top of everything. They had some As I Am in there. They also had Shea Moisture, but like, girl, the Shea Moisture in there was like $27, and I was like, who's getting it? Not I. I'm gonna have to go on Amazon next time, because boo, that's not cute. I'm literally halfway done with my head. I just kind of also wanted to give you guys a little update on me. I know you guys haven't seen me personally in a while. I've been posting videos, but they've kind of just like been older videos that I'm just like posting. I've only had these braids in for a month, y'all, a month. And I had to redo the front because the front was looking real crazy. and I didn't have any products to take my hair down. So I was just like, you know what, let me just redo the front, and we're gonna keep these in for another week or two. I am playing for a new team in Luxembourg. So far my experience has been just okay. I am trying to get out and explore. There are a lot of Americans here that are playing, so that's a good thing. So I'll probably do some vlogs where we kind of like going out and kicking it. But honestly, that's my problem with vlogs, because I forget to vlog when I'm out. Like, I just enjoy being in the moment. So I might just do everything clip of, you know, November. I just like being in the moment. I don't like pulling out my camera all the time. Like, y'all like doing that, but I don't like doing it. I was actually saving some of the hair that I'm taking out because I was also looking at the prices of the hair that they were selling in. It was a bit excessive as well. So if I can reuse some hair, I sure will. I'm gonna continue to take down the rest of my hair, y'all, and I am going to come back when my hair is pretty much done. Real quick, because I just got these 4 braids left. Am I the only one who cuts a little bit longer? Just because you think that your hair grew that much. I'm the person. But what if it grew this long? What if it grew as long as my braid? And I'm cutting off my hair, like, the fuzzies, I can't tell if it's the braiding hair or if it's my hair. So to be safe, I cut longer. I'm always watching basketball in my videos. I just feel like, ooh, out of bounds. Took all my hair out. My little fro is getting it. Hold on, let me turn her down. Hold on, turn down. Turn down for what? No, turn down because it's too loud. Look at my little fro. It's not little no more. I've been delivered. I have this braid in the front because I have decided, like, I was about to go through this whole process of my wash day routine, not realizing that it is 11:16 at night for me. And it's giving, you're crazy. I will not be up all night doing my hair. I have to get up early for a practice in the morning. So I'm just literally going to braid my hair in some plaits all over and just rock a fro until I can actually do my little wash routine until I feel like I have time. I could probably do it tomorrow, but I don't really want to. For now, I'm just gonna put little baby in some plaits and we're gonna go from there. Definitely notice my hair is so soft and moisturized. Like, I don't really remember exactly what, if I can remember the products that I use on my hair before I put my hair in the Knotless Braids, then I will definitely leave them for you guys. Okay, y'all, so here's my hair and all this little braids. My fro does look a lot thicker than what these braids is giving. My hair is really thin. That's what my little fro condensed down to. I just used some of the little sealing oil on my scalp to just give her a little bit of love, a little love and tenderness until I actually do my hair, put it on the ends all over my hair. So I'm about to put my hair back on and go to bed. As y'all can hear from my voice, your girl is tired. Today's a new day. And then there's sunshine. Anyways, we're back. Later days. It's been like 2 days, I believe. And so I just took out my little braids that I had in, and we had a game yesterday. So I wore them in a little fro, and then it ended up in a puff. So now here we are. 2 days after I took my hair down. My hair is still fluffy and soft. Oh, feels so good. So I'm about to like section it off and detangle it before I get in the shower and wash my hair. But I have a little spray bottle with warm water and some conditioner in it just so I can kind of like detangle my hair before I wash it. Literally, it's the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Conditioner. It's an intensive conditioning treatment. This is live. We live, baby. Your hair, not me. Oops. This is my assistant. She now works for me. Wow. This is like raw footage. This is never before seen footage. I don't even know what to say.
Got some kitchen built up.
Yeah. A little more water.
I don't get it.
Notice the tilt of the head.
Bro, shut up. Making me nervous.
Also notice the finger placement. Gathering two sections of the hair.
What's wrong with you?
Look at the fingers. And we twist and round. Twist and round. Twist and around. Neatly tucking the other piece around the other piece. If you notice her focus is impeccable, you tuck the hair and roll it underneath. It's a tuck and roll. Do the 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 tuck and roll it, tuck it, roll it. Tuck it, roll it, tuck it, roll it. Okay, so here is my hair now. Y'all see it in the bed oil. I'm gonna go hop in the shower really quickly, and I'm gonna use this co-wash. It is the Shea Butter Coconut Oil Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner by Luxembourg Pink. I'm very nervous, but I'm also interested. It has shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and pro vitamin B5 in it. So I'm pretty excited. Let's see what it does. I'm back. I washed my hair with the co-wash. My hair was so amazing. The co-wash smells absolutely amazing. Like, it smells so good. It smells so good. I sectioned it off again, rinsed it really well, and used the intensive moisture conditioner. So now I'm just gonna let my hair decondition, but I'm gonna use my blow dryer, and I'm gonna use this nifty little handheld hooded dryer. It's literally from Beauty Soul. If you guys can see, I'll link this where I got it down below, but it is literally a portable hooded dryer. It's essential, especially if you sit under the dryer a lot, but you don't have nowhere to put a hooded dryer. Have a drawstring like this, tighten it up, and then it also has the straps for when it pops on. It has a long little trunk, thingy-majigger-mabob. This piece attaches to your blow dryer like such. And then it has a strap that secures. And then baby, you just put it on. Like that. I'm not gonna do this on camera. I just wanted to show you guys my little device, my little gadget. I'm gonna sit under this for at least like a good little 15 to 20 minutes just to let this conditioner really get in my follicles and my roots and all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna rinse her out and come back for my next step. So I just rinsed my hair. I literally have been deep conditioning for hours. I'm just gonna kind of clip my hair up. Y'all hear the noise in the background. If it's kind of loud, I apologize. It's my washer. I'm washing clothes. Matter of fact, let me go close the door. Here are the curls. The curls is curling, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm so proud of my little hair, my little curls. Y'all, we done came a long way. To continue on, I do have a few other of the products. So I have the African Pride's Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey. And this is a hydrate and shine leave-in conditioner. I think that my hair is high porosity, okay? So I'm gonna go along with the high porosity method. And so I believe my thoughts are correct. It's good to use just a sprayed leave-in. So we're gonna go along with that. I'm gonna spray her down like Dow's little baby. Ooh, it smells really good. I didn't even know this was how African Pride was coming, y'all. Why didn't y'all tell me? Why didn't the girls give us a clue? Or is it just me? Am I just late to the party? Cut her off like that. That way we can work in a little bit of a smaller section and make sure we are coating all these follicles. Normally I do have a like cream leave-in conditioner. We're gonna see how this wash and go turns out without the cream leave-in, without any type of cream at all. I'm just using this spray leave-in, some oil, and then my Eco Styler gels. Also of African Pride, I have the Black Castor Miracle Hair and Scalp Sealing Oil. It has black castor oil, it has tea tree oil, and it also has soybean oil. I'm gonna first put some on my scalp along the part, and then I'm gonna put a little bit in my hands and rub it on my hair. At this point in my life, I just wanna make sure that my hair is moisturized. I don't really care what style it's in. I don't care about none of that. I just want to make sure baby is moisturized and we not out here saying water. Break her down one more time. Hit a little oil on my root. And then I'm gonna take my castor, the flaxseed and black castor oil. I'm gonna start applying generously. You definitely gotta have a generous hand so we can get what we want, the look that we desire. And one of the mistakes I was making was not necessarily getting all the way to my root. So making sure I get all the way to my root. Giving us a couple shingle pieces. Can definitely shingle little baby out if we want to. Give her some curls. Love a little curl action. So I'm gonna continue going on with this process and hopefully we get the results that we want. I'm really looking for the no flake. That's really what I'm looking for. I just need a no flake moment. So I am completely done with my hair. Let's give us a full view. Y'all see her, she's moving, she's cute. I have some twists here and there because I have some heat damage parts still in the front left side of my hair. I'm just putting them in twists so when it dries, I'll at least have a little bit of type of definition instead of it being just like puffy. Cause why? How long am I gonna have the heat damage? I'm confused. Right now, I need to dry my hair because it's 11 o'clock at night and I need to go to bed, but I'm not gonna go to bed with my hair like this and I'm not gonna stretch it. So I have my blow dryer. I don't have my freaking diffuser detachment. Why? I'm gonna attempt to put this on and let it dry my hair and hopefully it does what I need to do. I'm gonna keep it on like a medium to low heat. Okay, baby, so here's my hair. We're pretty much dry, with the exception of a few pieces that you guys see. Let me show you the back. She's bouncy, she's flowy. I don't see any signs of flakes so far. She looks pretty moisturized. Our little formula may or may not have worked. We'll keep you guys updated for sure, but I'm getting ready to get ready for bed. I have my little ponytail holders here. I'm gonna band my hair up to stretch it while I'm sleeping. Like I said, it is a little bit wet still. We're gonna do some stretching overnight and hopefully that helps us out. Come on, curls is popping everywhere, baby. They popping, they're popping, they're popping, they're popping. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? I'm definitely sleeping. Okay.